Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LVVV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice move today, not only from a price action perspective, but if you look down here at the volume, biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. Although to give credit's due, Friday was a very nice volume day too. All in all, point being, past couple of days, the bulls have really come to life. So let's get some levels of support mapped out. Then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 0.014. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above it, that would definitely be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that, previous breakout point down here at the 0.01 mark. So 0.014, 0.01, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things. So this definitely assumes you care about more so a broader time horizon, but that is where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, preferably speaking, stay up above 0.014 or 0.01, but as long as from the big picture the price is above the purple line, then the bulls are in full control of the trend. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, pretty straightforward. The party stopped today right up there around 0.0175. Yeah, I realize the price went up slightly above it, but a couple times the price didn't quite hit it, so I'm just going to kind of split the difference and call it right up there at 0.0175. All in all, though, as long as the price keeps on building higher bases like it's been doing, then the remaining pieces of the puzzle will continue to fit into place, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So focus on building those higher lows, and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. But very nice move today. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.